Today I'm going to fire up this old rusty sawmill and cut some live oak.
Well, selfishly speaking, the real reason for this video is I've been struggling heavily with editing lately and the colors being out. So I saw something that told me to change the settings on the phone, so I figured I'd give it a try and I would make a video kind of in the process. So this is me working through things, but you get to see me cut up a live oak log in the meantime. Now, this log is way, way smaller than anything I usually like to deal with, but it's for a buddy and it's kind of sentimental, and ultimately, hey, 20 bucks is 20 bucks, so here we go. I'm cutting these into 6x6s, which will ultimately become the base for a table, and I'd already cut up some logs for some large planks for the top, I guess. So there's a good chance in about a year from now you'll see me making a large table of sorts out of live oak, and well, this will be the lumber that you saw get cut up. This live oak sure can be some pretty stuff. The grain is unlike anything else you'll ever cut up, I can tell you that much. Well, I appreciate you hanging out to watch. I think the editing thing is kind of figured out. This wood's going to air dry for about 6 months, and then we'll go in the kiln and finish drying, and then we'll see what we can do with it. Thanks for stopping by.